Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Test Automation World. Myself Pawan Suryavanshi. So today we are going to discuss important topic in Java, that is data types. So let me open my presentation. Today we are going to discuss first point is what is data type. Second point is data types in Java. Third one is live example. So let's have a glimpse on what is data type. So data types specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. Java is a statically typed programming language, so that means all the variables must be declared before its use. So that is why we need to declare variables type and name. It is all about data types. So for example, suppose I am giving a violin to any children. So we have to tell that children that this is the type of this is the type, and how to use that how to use that violin. So similar way in the computer language, so we need to provide the data we need to provide the data to computer, that what is the type. So I'll show you. So suppose we are providing data to computer, that is 10. So we need to provide what is the type of this number. As suppose a second one is I am giving the data as a. We need to provide the type of this character. So for this we need to declare type as int, and for a we need to declare type as char. So like this. So let me jump on my PPT. I have created a flow chart of data types. So second one is data types, type of data. There are two types of data types. First one is primitive data type, and second one is non-primitive data types. So let's have a glimpse on first primitive data type. So in primitive data type, it has implemented in two examples, that is Boolean type and numeric type. And in numeric type, it has again divided into two values, that is character value and integral value. And again integral value has been divided into two examples, that is integer and floating point. So in integer there are four types, that is byte, short, int and long. And in floating type there are two types, that is float and double. So and in character value type is char data type, and in Boolean type it is declared Boolean. And in sorry and in non-primitive data type there are string class, array interfaces has been declared. So next one is so I have created a table for data types. So first one is Boolean. So friends, Boolean has default size as 1 bit, and it has default value as false, and it has range is true and false. So I'll jump onto this wrapper class later. So second one is char data type. So it has default size is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits, and default value is 0, and it represents blank space. It has range is 0 to 65535. Third one is byte, that is 1 byte, and it has 8 bits default size. So byte, short, int and long, it the default value is 0, and you can view the range of byte, short, int and long. So in byte we can use -20, -128 to 127. In short data type we can use this range, 32768 to 32767. So int we can use in this range, and in long we can use numbers in this range. And the seventh one is in float data type. This default size is 4 bytes, that means 32 bits, and default value is 0 0.0. In double data type as well, default value is 0 0.0, and default size is 8 bytes, that is 64 bits. And in the float data type, the range, you can view the range -3.4 e raised to 38 to 3.4 e raised to 38. And similar way in double as well, -1.7 e raised to 308 to 1.7 e raised to 308. Let's jump on wrapper class. So for each data type, that is boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float and double, in Java wrapper class has been created. So for boolean, the wrapper class is boolean. For char data type, wrapper class is character. So similar way for byte it is byte, short for short, int for integer. The wrapper class of integer data type, in data type has integer wrapper class. So similar, long for long, float for float and double for double. A class that is it has capital letter, the boolean, character, byte, short, long, float and double. Suppose the data type is int. So for controlling the data type, the wrapper class has been made as integer in Java. So it has corresponding wrapper class has been made in Java to control these data types. So I'll jump on to live example. So let me jump on Eclipse. So let me create new project. Suppose I am giving project name as data type. Next and finish. As you can see, data types project has been created. So under this we can I'll jump on to next topic, that is live example. So friends, I'll show you how to declare data type in program as well. So let me open Eclipse. So let me create new project. Suppose I'm giving name as data type, next, then finish. As you can see, the project has been created. So we have to create a package com dot data type, then finish, and under package we have to create class. I'm giving a class name as data, You can click on publish static void main as an option. So you don't need to write that publish static void main, or you can type manually as well. So I'm selecting publish static void main. I'm clicking on finish. So the class has been created. So the first data type is I'm taking a boolean, and I'm taking data type as variable. So I'm taking true, and on next line I'll write system.out.println. We have to print, you can print this boolean value as true. System.out.println. Okay, I'll directly print this data type. Save this, and you can to run this program, you can right click and run as Java application. You can see that we have declared the boolean data type as true, so it has printed true. So we will create next data type as char. I'll give comment over here, char, then copy this, let char equal to, suppose I'm giving char as a, then semicolon, and save this and run this. I have declared character as char, data type as a. So as you can see, the char has been printed, that is a, and the second one is second one is byte. So let's take an example of byte. Byte as I'm declaring 1. So let's save this and run this. As you can see, I have declared byte data type as 1. So in console you can view 1, it has printed 1 data type. So the next one is, that is short. So in short, you can give the range as minus 32768 to 32767. So in this range you can declare short. So suppose I'll take this number minus 32768, minus 32768, and I'm save this, then run. As you can see, the short data type has been printed minus 32768. Suppose I am giving out of range value I am giving over here, that is 32769. So it will give you the warning as add cast to short. The second one, and the second one is change type of data type into int. So int you can declare this range, as you can see, int fifth one. So you can give this number as 21474 to this number. So this has this 32769 has been declared in that range. So I'll change data type of int. So as you can see, int data type has been declared, and you can run this program, save, run. As you can see, the 32769 that was out of range of short data type, so it has printed for int data type. So the next one is long. So I'll give comment on this. Long data, I'll take this variable. So the long data type range has this one range, so 922337. So we can include long numbers in long data type. So I'm taking this one, and I'll print this. As you can see, the long data type number has been printed on console. So the next one is float. So float data type has a default value is 0.0. So I'll show you how to declare that. Data type equal to 10 point, suppose I'm giving an number, decimal number 10.27. So in float we have to declare after decimal number we have to declare character as f and semicolon. So in this way we have to declare the float data type. So I'll click on save. I'll show you on console. Run. .27. So you can view the output, that is 10.27 of float data type. So the next one I'll take as double data type. Double data type equal to 20.34. So in double data type we need to declare d character after decimal value, that is like this, d 20.34 d. So I'll save this. I'll show you on console. So as you can see, 20.34 value has been printed for double data type. So like this, friends, we have to declare the data types in Java. uh, s- so yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and if you have any doubts on the topic discussed, feel free to put your questions in the comment section. And if you want me to cover any other topic, so do let me know in the comment, so I'll provide that topic. And if you have queries, then I'll try to explain the queries as well. So yes, thank you. So see you in the next session.